Hey Mitchell, I have the two problems here that you asked about, 19 and 20. In the first one, they've got a capacity constraint. Let's see, on the number of machines, by the number of hours the machines can run during the period. So first of all, they gave us a contribution margin per unit for the product, and then the machine hours required per unit. So if you look at the contribution margin per unit of the constrained resource, okay, I would take my contribution margin divided by machine hours. That would mean for every hour of time, we could get $8 of contribution margin for product A, $9.23 for B, and $8.89 for C. Do you see that? Okay, so it's the contribution margin divided by the constrained resource, which is hours on this machine. So the one that makes the most hours would be product B. So what we would do is make all of B that there was demand for, and then probably follow it by C and then by A. Okay? All right, so on the next one then, this is a furniture. They manufacture two models, standard and premium. Weekly demand is 106 units of standard and 74 of premium. So again, we have a machine hour available constraint of 495 hours. So what we want to do is produce all we can of the one with the highest contribution margin per unit of the constraint. Okay, that's the expression that you want to think of. So here I've got standard and premium, okay? And here's my contribution margin, 21 and 24. The machine hours are 3 and 6. So my contribution margin per machine hour is 7, okay? And 4. Which makes sense. So demand is 106 units of standard and 74 of premium. So if it's 106, then that would mean it'd be 106 times 3, or 318 hours of what's this? Demand is 106. We'd have to use up 318 hours on their of the machine. Okay, the machine that doesn't have any hours. So that 318 divided by 3 would give us 106 units that we could make of standard. And for premium, okay, we've got contribution margin per machine hour is 4. So we would have a total of, we've got demand of 74. Okay, so that would mean 74 times, no. Okay, the rest of the hours that we could devote, we've got 495 total. Okay, so I took the 318 out and gave the rest to premium. Okay? Or, I was just thinking, we could take, well, it's okay, just leave it like this. And then, so 177 divided by 6 hours apiece would give us 29.5 units of premium. Okay, so that's 106 of one and 29 of the other. Would use up the total 495 machine hours. I hope this helps. If it doesn't make sense, let me know. Okay.